The theme of this year's World Environment Day is ecosystem restoration. Pakistan will act as a global host of the day. Restoring ecosystem, large and small, protects and improves the livelihood of people who depend on them. It also helps to regulate disease and reduce the risk of natural disasters. In fact, restoration can help us achieve all the sustainable development goals. The SDGs and targets will stimulate action in the following critically important areas: poverty, hunger, education, health and well-being, gender equality, water and sanitation, energy economic growth, gender equality and infrastructure, industry, innovation, reducing inequalities, sustainable cities, consumption and production, climate action, ecosystems, peace and justice, and partnership. The comprehensive agenda recognizes that it is no longer sufficient just to focus on economic growth, but on fairer and more equal societies and a safer and more prosperous planet. It recognizes that the task of peace, justice, environmental protection, and industrial development are not disconnected from each other, but part of the same change. It recognizes above all that global and interconnected challenges can only be fought with global and interconnected solutions. Jadhav Payam is better known as the Forest Man of India. He earned this name by spending 30 years of his life planting trees, creating a real man-made forest of 550 hectares. Thanks to this reforestation, wildlife has returned to the area. Incredibly, he did it all by himself. The Mulai Reserve is a forest on the Majuli Island in the Brahmaputra River near Kokilamukh in the Jorhat district in Assam, India. It has a total area of about 1,000 hectares and is under continuous threat due to the extensive soil erosion on its bank. Majuli has sunk over the past 70 years by more than half.